Welcome back, Filmaholics. My name is Kyle Kendrick, and in this channel you find anything and everything filmmaking. So right now, as you guys are watching this video, I am technically using artificial light, which means it's not from the sun, and that's natural light. So today, I'm going to show you guys how to light your YouTube videos using natural light. And just to let you guys know, this is also part of a bigger playlist called How to Light Your YouTube Video, so let's go ahead and check that out if you guys want up in the cards up there. Now let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I want to talk to you guys about is a small little warning. Basically, that a window or any form of natural light isn't gonna beat a studio light. Basically, with the way you set up your studio with several lights and just lighting it the way you want is always going to look a little bit better because it has better production value. But if you're just starting out, this is going to be a great way to start out. Again though, it's not going to look as good, so it depends on what you want and your budget. But if you don't have lights and you don't have great lights or anything like that to create your studio just yet, but you want to test it out, a window is a great way to start. So let's go ahead and get rid of these lights and go ahead and go through the steps. So step number one, I know you guys can barely see me, but that goes along with step number one. It's pretty obvious. Well, pull the curtains or just open the window. Now, doesn't that look better already? It already fleshes out the whole thing. Now, next step is going to be angling the camera the way you want. So for me, I personally like it a little bit more over here and make myself more into the middle. Meanwhile, you get to see the lightning bolt. That's kind of my signature. I love the lightning bolt thing. It just looks cool to me. I know it's pretty stupid, but it still looks cool to me. So after you're done framing it the way you want, now you're gonna go along with step number three. Step number three is setting up the background. So adding props. So in my opinion, I would move the lightning bolt maybe a little bit more that way and clearing out this and making it clean and neat so that it looks like a professional studio. I would make it a little bit more clean, so I would move this around. I can't currently because it's stuck on several things down here. I can't really show you that because it's not clean. I would basically just clear out that, put some props in, put some practicals in, put something that puts your personality into the screen, and that's how you make that background look good. Now for step number four. So I know we're breezing right through, but again, this is the simplest way to light your YouTube videos. This is the easiest way. You just wait till midday and film. Basically, you open the window, you frame, and then you put stuff in the background, and then you film. But the last and final step is to frame your face the right way. For example, for me, I have these sharp cheekbones. So I like it at an upper angle, pointed down at me, so that it kind of like makes it look less like a skinny face that I have. And then I also like to lean forward a little bit just because it adds that shadow right here. It adds this definition, and I really enjoy that. So you gotta understand and test out which way to frame your face in it. Meanwhile, maintaining the background. So it's a little bit of a give and take. For example, if I can't show the whole like film setup that way, I can't. But it still gets my face this way, and I like that. It looks better. You are the person in your YouTube videos, so you are what you are showcasing. So make sure you do that. And it's as easy as that to film with natural light for your YouTube videos. So that's really all you have to do. It's so simple. And it's a good way to start because, again, as you can see right now, it is actually decent lighting and it gets your face just so evenly well lit. And I do have one last tip. So on our windows, we have these tarps and they actually diffuse light really, really well. As you guys can see right here, let me just go ahead and lower the ISO so you guys can see what that would look like. Yeah, it's just regular Home Depot tarps. And what that does is it diffuses the light so it evenly distributes through the whole room, your face, and it doesn't make it look as harsh as like it would be if you didn't do that. So there's that. But now that we've done that with natural light, let's go ahead and go back to the regular lighting setup. And that's how you light your YouTube videos using natural light. If you guys want more lighting tips, be sure to check out the playlist up in the cards or in the description below. And also, all the gear I use is gonna be down in the links below at no extra cost to you guys, just gonna help out the channel. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe and dream on.